Hey guys, welcome back. This is Kia with This, That, and Tech. And today we have tech. I'm going to be unboxing the MacBook Air. This is width. Okay, so I got the basic, got the 8 gigs, 256 gigabytes, 13-inch MacBook Pro Air with the M1 chip, their latest chip, okay? Let's go ahead and pull the wrapper off of this one. If you hear a little bit of noise in the background, I do have a puppy. So, and then I just straightened my camera. So excuse his mannerism, okay? So how do we do this again? Let me just peel it off, just like that. Ooh. And just so you know the color, give me a moment, I can't handle that. As you can see, it's gold. It was between silver and gold for me. I know this is gonna be like a off color gold or more of a pink rose gold, but I'm okay with that, you know, because it was between silver and gold. I'm just gonna put more than likely, I'm just going to place a wrap on it or skin like I do for most of my computers, just so they can stay in new like condition. It's how you avoid scratches and things. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off and see what's on the inside. See how it comes out. It's in there kind of tight. The struggle's real, guys. I thought it was gonna be a little bit easier than this, so there we go. Well, that's what I said. To y'all, it looked gold, but to me, it's a little bit of pinkish. A little bit of pinkish. But, I mean, whatever floats our boats, right? That's what it looks like. All right, put that to the side. It's beautiful though, don't get me wrong. But I ain't in touch with my feminine side. So in the box, you get a bolt cord, okay? Your instructions. You get some Apple stickers. No stickers? You gotta be kidding me. Oh, no, I was kidding. So that's what it really looks like. So, you know, that's the color right there, okay? I'm glad that this at least picked it up. I'm assuming because it has like the plastic on it, it didn't pick up. It looks like it's white or whatever, but I have a charger here. So I picked this up at Best Buy today, seeing that my Apple store here never has anything, like literally never, but that's neither here nor there. So looks like this is gonna be it. I'm gonna go ahead and try to give y'all a pull. There you go. Of course, you get your handprints on it real fast. But if you can see that, this is, you know, this is that gold, pink gold. A little bit of pink gold or rose gold ain't never really hurt nobody. Okay. Let's. Okay guys, this is it for this unboxing. Again,
to use English as the main language, press the return key.
What she said. But again, if you like what you saw here today, please like, comment, and subscribe. And like I said, the more likes, the more comments, the more I'll be consistent with posting these unboxings. Again, this is Kia with This, That, and Tech, and this was Tech today. You guys have a good day. Peace.